Ladies and gentlemen, I built this right here. See if I can get a little clear for y'all. I built this here. It would have taken me 2 days to build it, but due to the weather, I lifted up every last one of those by myself. You know, it didn't take me 3 men. I seen where a fella said it cost them $7,000 to do it with equipment and everything. It cost me $20. And I purchased everything at the lumber yard, used rail ties. And you can do the same. The only thing that's gonna cost me a little money is dirt, and that's it. But this is phase 1. Phase 2 is coming soon.